Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make roasted pumpkin seeds. It's that time of year when everybody's carving up their jack-o'-lanterns in preparation for Halloween, but don't let those pumpkin seeds inside go to waste. Today I'm going to show you how to take your pumpkin seeds from the inside of your pumpkin and roast them up for a delicious and easy, healthy snack. Now, just like carving a jack-o'-lantern, the first step is to cut open a hole in the top of your pumpkin. And you want to make sure you do it at a slight angle so that you can place the top back on and it won't fall through. Make sure that you use a sharp knife and cut away from yourself for safety. The top should come right off, and then you want to use your fingers to dig out all of the pumpkin seeds. Then you'll place the seeds into a strainer. Now, if you're carving a jack-o'-lantern, you're going to want to use something to scrape the sides of the inside of the pumpkin to scrape out all of those guts. But I find it really easy to run my fingers through first and pull out the seeds. You should end up with a whole bunch of slimy little pumpkin seeds. It's a good thing we have these in a strainer already because we're going to take them over to the sink. You want to give them a nice thorough rinse under cold water and rinse off some of that slimy guts element from the pumpkin. And then I just give these a quick pat with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. And then of course you got to brush the seeds back off the paper towel. And then we're going to spread these out onto a baking sheet. Next is where things get fun. You can roast these up plain with nothing on them, or you can add some seasonings or flavorings. For pretty much any flavoring, I like to add some melted butter and toss the pumpkin seeds in that first. Once they're in kind of an even layer, you can add on your seasoning. Today I'm just going to add on salt, but you could also use cinnamon sugar, pumpkin pie spice, or even something like Cajun seasoning will work for a bit of a spicy, fun, flavorful option. Then we're going to bake this in a 275-degree oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes at that low temperature, you're going to increase the temperature to 350 degrees and continue baking for 7 to 10 minutes until your pumpkin seeds are golden brown. Let them cool completely before you try and eat them. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. Happy Halloween!